Hey there, crypto crew. Remember when we talked about Bitcoin? We covered the basics, like how it's decentralized and how it uses blockchain technology. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving deeper. Get ready for the mind-blowing world of advanced Bitcoin. And we're talking about the future of money itself. Let's talk speed. Bitcoin transactions haven't always been known for their quickness. But hold on to your hats because the Lightning Network is here to change the game. Imagine a superhighway for Bitcoin transactions. That's the Lightning Network. It's a second layer built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. This allows for lightning-fast transactions. We're talking about near-instant payments. But that's not all. The Lightning Network also reduces transaction fees. It's like getting a speed boost and a discount all in one. This makes Bitcoin more practical for everyday use. Think buying coffee, paying for parking, or even sending money to friends. With the Lightning Network, Bitcoin is becoming faster, cheaper, and more scalable than ever before. Get ready for a future where Bitcoin transactions are as instant as a text message. Bitcoin is constantly evolving. Developers are always working on ways to make it better. Enter Taproot and Segwit, two major upgrades that have significantly enhanced Bitcoin's efficiency and functionality. Think of Segwit as decluttering your digital wallet. It removes some data from Bitcoin transactions. This frees up space on the blockchain. More space means faster transactions and lower fees. It's a win-win. Now, let's talk about Taproot. This upgrade is all about privacy and flexibility. It makes complex transactions look like simple ones on the blockchain. This enhances user privacy. It also makes it easier to develop innovative applications on top of Bitcoin. Taproot and Segwit are prime examples of how Bitcoin is constantly being upgraded. These improvements pave the way for a more robust and versatile Bitcoin ecosystem. Let's get real for a second. Bitcoin isn't just a cool technology, it's a revolutionary new form of money. It has the potential to reshape the global financial system as we know it. One of the most exciting aspects of Bitcoin is its limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is built into Bitcoin's code. It cannot be changed. This makes Bitcoin a deflationary currency. Its value is likely to increase over time. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments, Bitcoin is decentralized. No single entity controls it. This makes it resistant to censorship and manipulation. It gives individuals more control over their own money. Bitcoin's unique economic properties make it a compelling alternative to traditional currencies. It has the potential to become a global reserve currency. It could usher in a new era of financial freedom and innovation. Banking for everyone, Bitcoin and financial inclusion. Imagine a world where everyone has access to financial services, no matter where they live or their economic status. That's the promise of Bitcoin and financial inclusion. For millions of people around the world, traditional banking is out of reach. They lack access to basic financial services. This limits their opportunities and keeps them trapped in poverty. Bitcoin offers a solution. It provides a secure and accessible way to store and transfer value. All you need is an internet connection. This opens up a world of possibilities for the unbanked. With Bitcoin, people can send and receive remittances without exorbitant fees. They can access microloans to start businesses. They can participate in the global economy. Bitcoin is a powerful tool for financial empowerment. It has the potential to lift millions out of poverty. The energy dilemma: Bitcoin's environmental impact. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Bitcoin has an energy problem. Mining Bitcoin requires a lot of computational power. This consumes a significant amount of energy. Critics argue that Bitcoin's energy consumption is unsustainable. They point to the environmental impact of fossil fuels used to power mining operations. It's true that Bitcoin mining consumes a lot of energy, but the situation is not as dire as some make it seem. The Bitcoin community is actively working to address this issue. Renewable energy is becoming increasingly important in the Bitcoin mining industry. Many mining operations are transitioning to cleaner sources of energy. This includes solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Greening the blockchain: renewable energy solutions. The future of Bitcoin is green. The Bitcoin community is committed to finding sustainable solutions. Renewable energy is at the forefront of these efforts. Many Bitcoin mining companies are now using renewable energy sources. This reduces their carbon footprint. It makes Bitcoin mining more environmentally friendly. Some mining operations are located in areas with abundant renewable energy. This allows them to tap into clean sources of power. It minimizes their impact on the environment. The transition to renewable energy is not without its challenges. But the Bitcoin community is up to the task. They are committed to creating a more sustainable future for Bitcoin. DeFi and Bitcoin, a powerful partnership. Get ready for the DeFi revolution. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is transforming the financial landscape, and Bitcoin is playing a key role in this exciting new world. DeFi is all about creating financial applications that are open, transparent, and accessible to everyone. Think of it as building a new financial system from the ground up, one that is powered by blockchain technology and governed by code. Bitcoin, with its security and decentralization, is a natural fit for the DeFi ecosystem. It's being used to create innovative financial products and services. These include lending platforms, stablecoins, and decentralized exchanges. The integration of Bitcoin into DeFi is opening up a world of possibilities. It's creating a more inclusive, efficient, and accessible financial system for everyone. Wrapped Bitcoin, bridging the gap. One of the challenges of integrating Bitcoin into DeFi is its incompatibility with other blockchains. That's where Wrapped Bitcoin comes in. Think of Wrapped Bitcoin as a digital representation of Bitcoin on other blockchains. It's like putting Bitcoin in a digital wrapper. This allows it to interact with other DeFi protocols. Wrapped Bitcoin opens up a world of possibilities for Bitcoin holders. They can use their Bitcoin to participate in DeFi applications on other blockchains. This includes lending, borrowing, and trading. Wrapped Bitcoin is a prime example of the innovative solutions being developed to bridge the gap between Bitcoin and the DeFi ecosystem. Regulation, nation governments and Bitcoin. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate Bitcoin. It's a new and complex technology. It challenges traditional notions of money and finance. Some governments are taking a cautious approach. They are developing regulations to prevent illicit activities. Others are embracing Bitcoin's potential. They are creating favorable regulatory environments to foster innovation. The regulatory landscape for Bitcoin is constantly evolving. It's important to stay informed about the latest developments. This will ensure you are in compliance with the laws in your jurisdiction. Despite the regulatory uncertainty, one thing is clear: Bitcoin is here to stay. Governments around the world are realizing that they can no longer ignore it. The future is bright, Bitcoin's potential unleashed. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the exciting world of advanced Bitcoin insights. From lightning-fast transactions to its potential as a global reserve currency, Bitcoin is changing the way we think about money. The future of Bitcoin is full of possibilities. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. The best way to stay ahead of the curve is to stay informed. Read everything you can about Bitcoin, follow the latest developments, and most importantly, don't be afraid to explore this exciting new world. The future of finance is decentralized, and Bitcoin is leading the way. Are you ready to join the revolution?